Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to Louis Vuitton to try a couple of the items, and later I'm going to Chanel to try some jackets, and I'll show you them too. And after that I will go to Salvatore Ferragamo. I'm on the hunt for some comfortable shoes for work. I will also go to Chanel Beauty and buy some items which I will show to you at the end of the video. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram and let me know if you have any questions. I'm on a hunt for some shoes and boots from LV, and you guys recommended that I check out these ones and the other ones that I'll show you in a minute. I think they're kind of cute, and I feel like LV has a really nice choice. These ones are quite comfortable too, the heel is not very high, and they're quite practical. I do like these ones a lot. I think they are so my style. I can totally see myself wearing them in Europe. I love this. I also like another design. I think these ones are pretty cool. What do you think about them? I think they would look great with jeans and black trousers and even dresses. I saw these shoes and I think they're really nice, but I just don't like this big logo at the front. If I were to wear them to office, I wouldn't feel very comfortable. But other than that, the heel is pretty good. And I'll show you another pair that I think is pretty cute. These are beautiful, but obviously I wouldn't be wearing them to work because the logo is all over it. And these ones, I really like them. I think they're my favorite style. I really love them. Not only they're comfortable, but they also look super cool. I would wear them with jeans, trousers, dresses, skirts, anything. I love that style. And here are some sweaters. I will try the one at the bottom. I like the color. I hope they have my size. Some other items. I'm not particularly loving anything. I wanted to try on this jacket. It's really cute. I've seen it on Instagram and I will try it on. Again, more items with the logo all over it. I don't really feel comfortable wearing this kind of clothes. What do you guys think about it? So here is the jacket. I will try it on for you guys. And I like that it's cropped, so I can wear it with high-waisted jeans, trousers, and skirts as well. And the sleeves are rolled up. And that's how it looks on me. I do like it quite a lot. What do you guys think about this style? Maybe I should try to close it. But I like the color. It's not very loud. I can actually unfold the sleeves. It's a really pretty jacket. Do let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I have to say that I don't love everything from Louis Vuitton ready to wear, but some items are pretty cute. And you know what guys, I decided to try on this fur jacket. Since there were any sales assistants that were helping me, I decided to help myself. I took this coat and I think it's really pretty. It's quite warm and I do like the belt. I like the colors, it's really nice. Of course, obviously I don't have anywhere to wear it, but I thought I'll just try it on and show to you guys. It's really pretty. I wish LV produced coats in a fake fur. I think it would be better. Maybe LV should consider those. And I also tried on that sweater that I showed to you earlier. It's cute, but unfortunately they didn't have my size. Today is the next day, and actually I need to pick up something from Chanel Beauty, but I'll go to the boutique and check out a couple of jackets that you guys recommended me to see. This bag is pretty cute. I'm not exactly loving the color, but the design is quite nice. And this sequins bag is so sparkly. I do like it a lot. It's not very expensive. I'm not sure if I should add a sequins bag to my collection, but I just quite like the colors of this one, and it seems to be quite durable. My friend bought this jacket and I really love it. I was trying to find it in the stores, but they didn't have my size. I tried on previously a cropped version, but I'm so excited to try on this one, and I have two other jackets that some of you guys recommended me to try on. Unfortunately, they don't have my size, but I'll see if this look okay. This jacket is in a size 34. But the sleeves are really long. But I like all the details. I like that it's off-white. It's nice to have this color. What do you guys think about it? I think I could wear it with black trousers too. I could probably wear it for work. It's just the sleeves are incredibly long. I do like it with my Chanel pearl bag. I think that this bag looks great with any jacket, although I think I would prefer to wear some colorful bag, maybe red, maybe even Tiffany blue. And here is another jacket that I really wanted to try on. The color is so beautiful. I love all the details, and I will show you how it looks at the bright light. There is also a skirt like that, and it looks so nice. You can wear it as a set, but actually I think I would prefer to wear that jacket with black trousers or with jeans. To me it's more casual jacket. Unfortunately they didn't have my size, so I'm actually trying on the jacket that is like 3 sizes bigger than my size. Even though this one is so big, but can you imagine how the correct size would look? It would be so much better. I will actually ask them to notify me when they will have size 34 so I can come in and try it on. And by the way, this one is in a size 38. And this jacket is in a size 40. But I do like the way it looks. The pattern is so beautiful. And it's a bit thicker than the other one. I like the buttons. It's really cute. I think I will ask my SA to notify me when they will import the size 34, because they're still bringing them in. And by the way, everything is delayed because of the coronavirus situation, and the new collection is gonna come in a couple of more weeks. And I just can't wait to see that. I want to see all the new jackets, and I'm on a hunt for one bag that I shared with you in my previous video. I can't wait to go see the new items, and I will film as well and show to you guys. I was surprised to see this cardigan is still available in the store, although it's also in a size 38. Everything is in a size 38 or 40 for some reason, I don't know why. By the way, as I left the store, my friend sent me a picture of these jackets. Apparently purple jackets are back in stock, and they have them in a size 34, 40 and other sizes as well, which is quite surprising. So if you're on the lookout for this in Singapore, you can go to Takashimaya and they have them here. And I am now at Salvatore Ferragamo. I'm trying on some shoes for work. I tend to walk quite a lot, and actually I need to find a comfortable pair. I have recently bought Roger Vivier shoes and I unboxed it in my previous video, and I will link down that video in the description box below. Those are great, but I feel like I need a different design. Actually, I do have quite a few from this brand in different colors, usually in bright colors, orange, pink from previous seasons. I have blue, I also have purple, red, quite a few. I think I have green as well, but I just wanted to check out some other colors. And these are quite cute, but I just feel like they're too pale for me, for my skin tone. I'm not really feeling it. What do you guys think? And here's another pair. They didn't have my size, but these are quite cute. And I decided to try on flats. Okay, they look alright. There are two different types of flats, patent and leather flats. I prefer leather because they just feel more comfortable. Anyways guys, I didn't get any shoes, but I went to Chanel Beauty and I picked up some lipsticks that I really like. I will show them to you. I just needed to replace my most favorite lipstick that just finished, and Chanel just doesn't have stock. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of the coronavirus situation, everything is just delayed. I got this moisturizing lip gloss, which I really like. I like the color and it just feels so nice on my lips. I just can wear it anytime, especially in the aircon places when my lips just feel dry. And there is another one, and this one can be used as lipstick and a blusher, which is great. Even though I hardly ever use blusher, but it's nice to have a choice. I will show you the color. I will actually show you how it looks on me. So first I applied this one. I waited for a few seconds and then I applied the first one, the lip gloss that I showed you. And actually this one is my absolutely favorite lipstick that I was trying to find. The colors are quite similar. They're not exactly the same, but I guess these are the ones that suit me the most. I can't wear bright red or any like bright, super bright pink colors. They just don't look nice on me at all. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you liked this video. Please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. And let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!